is up, everybody? How you doing? So, this is going to be the good feel, let's be charitable, help another human being section of my life for the very short time that it needs to be. Normally I could give a shit less about people, but you know, I'm in the giving mood, and I've actually, not really, I just feel like this couple actually deserves it. It has nothing to do with me or not. I know this has been happening for a while, and it's a really shitty situation. So, a girl that lives generally in my area, you know, the whole 6 degrees of separation thing, I know somebody who knows somebody, and ended up knowing, well, not knowing her, but like, I know the story, let's put it that way. A really, really shitty situation, and I'm just gonna gloss over the main points of it, and I'm going to include I think it's a GoFundMe page, you know, I think it's GoFundMe, which it's not for, you know, personal gain or for, I'm not getting anything out of this. I'm just I'm making this video because I know what a shitty time they're having, and it, you know, it could help. Everyone deserves help, a little bit of help every once in a while, and especially when something like this happens. So, again, I'm gonna leave the link to the GoFundMe page in the description below. I'm gonna put a picture of it here. Ta-da! Basically, a guy and a girl, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever they are, maybe fiance, a couple months ago, got into a really, really bad, from what I read, what I understood, I keep touching my chest, like you can see that, like when you're talking to someone, they're like, a really bad motorcycle accident, like multiple motorcycles, multiple cars involved, and I don't know exactly what happened, you know, what's caused it, or who hit who, whatever. I just know that, at least if I remember correctly, I know that she got, like, air flighted, the girl, the girlfriend, fiance, whatever, the girl got air flighted, or helicoptered, or, you know, taken to a hospital. It's in serious condition, which is never good and super expensive. I mean, I think it's like 10 grand or something just for the flight, not, you know, not talking anything about the hotel stay, yeah, the hospital stay. But just, like, it's a big buck. And if any of you watching this know, could you afford a $10,000 expense right now? You know, obviously health insurance is going to cover some of it, but I'm talking like, you know, all of it, like having everything covered. Very few people could. Don't you do it. Thank you. So I know how much that sucks, especially like, I've had somebody in my family have to get helicoptered out, and just hearing about the fucking bill that they got from it, oh my god. I mean, you know, just the hospital stay plus everything, just, it was incredible the amount of money that for just like a week, and just huge money. So that happened. Now that my rant is done, my ramble, that happened. But before that too, I don't know if I really want to, I'm not going to get into this because this is personal, but like, I'm assuming from their side, I know that they had a child and it passed away a few months after it was born, so that happened before, and then they get into this accident, and I think the girl, as far as I know, is still in the hospital, like still, you know, was hurt that badly that she's still there, which, that's been a couple months. Like, the hospital bill is going to be astronomical, plus, you know, there's living expenses, plus not working for a few months, plus not working for probably a few more months on top of that. Oof. Oof. Just like the setback this is going to be to something like, or setback this has to be. I just don't know. I don't, it boggles my mind that, like, how much this is actually going to cost. So this is where we get into the whole GoFundMe page. I don't know these people personally. I don't need to know them personally. I just know how shitty of a situation this must be for them, or it would be for anyone. You know, losing what they did and then having this piled on top, it's gotta suck. Which is an understatement, but it's gotta suck. So I'm going to include the GoFundMe page here, and I don't know if one person, 10, 40, who knows how many people are actually going to see this video. It doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter if you can't give anything. Like, obviously it would be great if everyone that sees this video could give something, because, you know, $1 is something. It's help. You know, it's not a lot, but whatever you can do. But even if you can't give money, you know, or you can't give something, share the page, you know, help out in any way you can, because everyone deserves a little bit of help every once in a while. For how cynical I am on things, this, like, even I'm thinking, damn, like, I can't imagine being in those shoes right now. So, I'm going to include the page. You know, if you can't share money, or if you can't afford it, just share the page. You know, who knows, maybe someone that you know could give something, or however it's going to work. I just hope that this gets around just a little bit so somebody can see it, and this can, you know, be something helpful. Is that undercover? Maybe. Because it's just, like, what they must be going through right now is just, it's gotta suck. So, yeah, hopefully this video finds everyone who watches it good. No one's hurt or in any trouble or anything, but hopefully, you know, you can find that little kindle of human kindness that I struggle for and share it around, and that's it. Thank you very much. I love you all. I will see you later. A big peace.